Hey! Have you ever noticed something strange? When one person yawns, other people start yawning too. Why it happens, have you ever thinks? What's the reason? Let us talk about in today's video. Scientists believe yawning helps cool down the brain. When we yawn, we take a deep breath and stretch our jaw. People who feel emotions strongly are more likely to catch yawns from others. Yawning is linked to empathy. So there is no issue or worries. So next time you yawn, remember your brain might just be cooling itself down. And now be honest, did this video make you yawn too? Hope so. This video increases your knowledge. If you like it, then like, share and subscribe.